Are you my mommy? Another night, I just showed up. Shut up.
What?
What? No, I was talking to the guy talking. So, how was your day today? Anything interesting? Why are you doing that? Oh my god, that was disgusting. I hope you choke on that. What are you doing? That is disgusting. That's so gross. Oh my god. What are you doing?
If only that was on.
What was what? Oh my god. What are you doing? This is really disgusting to witness. Oh my god. Oh my god. The people watching this will never know what you're doing. I don't like watching this. I don't like witnessing this. Understood. What are you doing? Oh! Oh my god, that's just so gross.
This is the life of Illinois Slim. If food is forever, then all is another.
Maybe?
Low loafing sculptures. What's an excess beautiful? How beautiful?
Access Beto?
Excess beautiful.
Exos Betos Fo?
Exos Betos Fo.
That's so gross.
I was doing my alien stuff.
I know, but that thing in your mouth.
Hold on, what else should I do? It's 4 a.m. We haven't done anything.
That's because Springtrap isn't even here. In night 1, he's not even here.
He's the only monster.
He's not even here though. In night 2 is when the phone guy says, "We got a real one," which he means Springtrap. And Springtrap, I would assume, brings the phantoms, which are like haunting him because he killed those children and put them in, you know, yeah. So that's why there's like literally night 1 of FNAF 3, you can just do nothing. That's what I'm in this video. Doing nothing in FNAF 3. Background laughter. Anyway.
Hold on. What should I?
Dude, your mouth looks really disgusting right now. I'm gonna be honest. Oh my god, why you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, this video is gonna be good now. Alright.